Onboard checks maintaining stability in paramount for safety and operational efficiency to assist in these various tools and document utilized, including stability diagram, trim tables, and stress tables. All these resources are typical or consolidated within the trim and stability booklet, a document approved by classification societies. Table information on permissible bending movement and shear force to prevent structural damage under various loading scenario. Tank capacity and sounding tables. Details on the volume, center gravity, and free surface effects of the each tank essential for accurate stability calculation. Operational guidance. Instruction on using the booklet, precaution against capsizing, and method for calculating loading condition. Inclining experiment report or result from test determine for the shape, light shape, weight, and center of gravity forming the basis of stability assessment. Hydrostatic data, stable or curve presenting properties like displacement, center of buoyancy, and metacentric height across various drop and trims, across curves and stability. A graph showing writing level and levers at different angles of field various or displacement aiding ship ability to return upright position after healing. Trim tables. Data illustrating how vessel trims change with different loading condition crucial for maintaining hull immersion of propulsion efficiency. A trace table. Information and utilizing stability tools on board. A stability diagram. A visual representation such as curve and tactical stability defect or the shape writing arm cross various sails angle or indicating its ability to resist capsizing. Trim tables assist in predicting the vessel longitude inclination or result from different loading distribution ensuring optimal performance and safety. Stress table provide limits for structural stress guiding the loading process to prevent excessive bending of shear force. Human stability booklet, key opponent, or general vessel information details such as the shipboard name, classification number, type, dimension, and tonnage.